We're going to have a look at the Bosch Easy Impact 5500. I've had this drill for about 3 weeks now and it's fairly easy to use. It comes with the handle which you can attach in both directions. So to do that you just tighten up the lever. Okay. You also get a depth marker which goes in through this hole here. It's got some teeth which go in the bottom. So to do that you just press the lever down and it goes in. It's this lever we're pressing down here. So we'll take that away for now. This is a fairly easy and simple drill to use. It seems to be fairly well made. This was available from my local DIY store for £40, but I had a £10 voucher if I bought something over £30. So I got this for £30, which was a bargain to me. Yeah. So within this drill you have normal drilling and hammer drilling for drilling into concrete. Also it's got forward and reverse. It's got a button to keep it going without using the trigger. The trigger itself is a speed control as well, so if you press it hard, so you can control the speed using the trigger, which is quite handy. It's got the chuckless easy in and out. You can also use the power to turn the chuck on and off. So that's all allowed. If you reverse it, it's all locked. So fairly easy to use. If you put the switch in the middle, it stops it working as well, so for safety purposes. The bit with the cable is fairly well made and seems to be very well protected, and it's quite sturdy. Yeah. What more can you want from a simple little drill? I hope it lasts a few years. The last Bosch drill I had lasted about 20 years, so I hope this one does just as well. There you go.